Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Royalty Rob, a licensed real estate broker and investor, helping buyers, sellers, and investors navigate the market with confidence. Whether you're looking for your dream home, the best investment opportunity, or expert real estate tips, you're in the right place. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's turn up and make smart moves in real estate. Welcome to 95 Alpine Lane in Crete, Illinois. This stunning 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home offers over 3,700 square feet of beautiful designed living space. Perfect for families, entertainers, and anyone seeking comfort and style. Let's take a closer look. As you step inside, you're greeted by a spacious and living floor plan. This home features not one, but two fireplaces, creating a cozy atmosphere for those chilly Midwest evenings. As you can see, over here we have the half bathroom, which is through the laundry room. Yes. Got storage in the bathroom here. As you see, that's the back door to go out to the backyard. Have more storage over here. Now let's go in the garage. As you can see, this is a 2-car garage. Have storage in the garage. Sink. More cabinets for storage. Back over here in this corner over here is a nice little space, I guess, put either gardening tools or if you're a mechanic, somebody who like to work on cars, you can put the toolbox back there. All right, let's go back in the house. The living and dining areas are bathed in natural light, offering perfect spaces for relaxation and entertaining. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with modern appliances, ample counter space, and plenty of storage, making meal preparation a joy. Look at this beautiful island in the middle of the kitchen. That stainless steel refrigerator over there. Got the built-in stove, built-in oven, dishwasher. All right, now let me take you over here into the living room where you see the second fireplace is over here. And in this area right here, you could put a breakfast table and enjoy the nice light. You could look in the backyard, look on the side over here. Right here, you have, like I said, the living room area. Got high ceilings in here. Walk through here. As you can see, you could have a walkway to the kitchen. Now, I'm going to take you upstairs where the 4 bedrooms are located. Um, 2 bathrooms are up here. You have a storage area right there to my right. We will show you that later. Also in there is the furnace. Upstairs has its own separate furnace from the rest of the house. Now, while we're upstairs and checking up the stairs, I would like to give you some neighborhood highlights. Beyond this incredible home, the location is equally impressive. Crete is in a peaceful, well-established community with much to offer. Schools. Families will appreciate a proximity to several schools. Crete Elementary School, grades K to 5, approximately 1.6 miles away. Crete Monet Middle School, grades 6 to 8, about 4.4 miles away. Crete Monet High School, grade 9 to 12, around 2.5 miles away. Parks and outdoor spaces, just 2 miles away. You'll find Heritage Park, a local favorite featuring walking trails, picnic areas, a playground, and sport fields. Perfect for families outings and outdoor activities. Commuting if you work in or frequently visit downtown Chicago, you'll love the convenience. The city is just a 45 to 60-minute drive away, depending on traffic. Plus, Metro train services provided an easy alternative for commuting. Amenities, shopping centers, grocery stores, and a variety of dining options are all nearby, making daily errands and quick and convenient. As you see here, this is the master suite's bathroom. Now, it does not have a tub in here. It has a stand-up shower. The only tub in this house is in the main bathroom in the hallway there. But it's still nice to have a bathroom in your bedroom. As you see, this bedroom has three closets. One big walk-in closet and two small closets there. Another closet here in the hallway. Now we're gonna go across over here to this room, which is like a slash utility storage room. You have closet space in here as well. You have the other furnace for upstairs in here, like I said earlier. This house also has an attic, which the entrance to the attic is in the office room, the room that has the office desk in there. Now I'm gonna head down to the basement, but before we go to the basement, I'm gonna let you look outside. And then once we come back from the basement, I will take you to the backyard and you will see the backyard, see how nice it is. Unfortunately, you got the snow out there. It's winter time. But now let's go down to the basement. You can see how spacious this basement is. This basement, you could make it into a home theater, or a game room, workout area. As you see, you have a wet bar right there. Just look how spacious this area is. Back there, you see that there's a door there that goes to some more storage behind the bar. That's up under the stairs. Now you come down here, you can make this like a game room area, put a pool table or something down here, or make this a workout area. Or if you're somebody who likes to dance, you got mirrors to watch yourself dance. And that room there is a utility room. That's where your other furnace is at, your main furnace. You have your water heater in there. You have your electric box in there. It's a nice little storage area. You can put a little storage in there. Now we're going to head back upstairs so I can show you the backyard. If you are interested in this incredible home, be sure to contact Jamie Lemmons, the listing agent. Her information is in the description below. And if you love seeing beautiful homes and want to stay up to date with real estate tips, make sure to follow me for more exciting content. Now, let me take you outside to the backyard here, like I said earlier. Yeah, it was taking me a while to get the door open. I don't know if you saw the balloon, but me and the balloon was fighting. Okay, it was in my way. But we made it outside. We made it away from the balloon. As you see in the tree there is a little bird house. I don't know if you caught that, but there's a little yellow bird house right there. But see, this is a big backyard here. It's good for barbecuing and outdoor entertainment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.